Alright guys, we're going to go over today's ritual.
Hey fam, welcome to another ritual. I'm in the middle of finishing this set, so we're using Sapphire Nights. What we're going to go over in this video is matte, because I haven't covered it, and this many I've decided that's what we're going to do. So there is a few things with matte. What's the difference between glow and matte? Glow is more like a shiny layer, and matte is more like a dull layer. In my opinion, it works better for darker colours. You can still use it for the lighter ones, but I think it looks better on the darker colours than it does on the lighter ones. For matte, we need to make sure that your mani is super smooth. I've already done 3 layers, buffed, sealed, and yeah, we're up to basically the matte one. So with matte, like as I say, it needs to be super smooth, because once you put it on, you are going to see all the imperfections, and no doubt we will see it through my ones. I tried to make it as smooth as I could, and we want to just have it, like in terms of the brush technique, to do it one direction, otherwise it will come up really streaky. So this is the glow version, and you'll see what it looks like for the matte version. Matte dries real quick too. That one's starting to dry. You can see it drying because it's changing colour. Right, just waiting for those to dry so we can do the second layer. In the meantime, I did another glow on this one. just because that's part of the set. So basically it's these ones are matte, these ones are matte, and the middle two are glow. Yeah, you can see it's streaky on that too. Matte really brings out all the imperfections. Like if it's not smooth, it's going to show you that it's not smooth. And I swear matte smells like banana lollies. Let's see how that one turns out. And it looks like it's not going to be that smooth. That one's kind of the same. It's because I knocked it. Oh shit. Yeah. It does look a little bit different than glow because it's not as like shiny. But yeah, the main thing with matte is you need to make sure that when you're buffing your nails or your tips that it's super smooth. Because if it's bumpy, it's pretty much gonna pick it up. If we look at that one, even though like it's buffed out, like you can still see and it still looks bumpy compared to glow. Look at glow, it's shiny as and smooth as, but these two, nah man. But you see the big difference. It is really easy to use, but there comes with some like prerequisites with it. Yeah. that's pretty much matte. Thanks for joining and look forward to seeing your guys' matte creations.
That's today's ritual. And thanks for joining me. The next ritual is waiting.